Today I do service in Isuzu for JK1 engine 2023 model, and we open oil and oil filter. This oil filter location in front side. It have two three models same. Some have front side, some have upside, and one new model Next is coming with element filter. Its location with the diesel pump, and now also I changed this diesel filter. It taking time because opening pipes. Sometimes it starts. That's why it's taking too much time. The two wires up and down, largely open, and then you need to go with slightly upside. Pull that remove, and then you can change this filter. First remove oil, diesel from inside filter, and then you open it. If you cannot remove diesel, maybe your uniform or your clothes are dirty. So I change this diesel filter. It has two types of filter, primary and secondary, and this come in secondary category. Primary filter is near diesel tanker, and secondary is upside. And also put engine oil. We put the 7 liter engine oil. And this model they give more complication, but its design is too good. Engine air filter, and after we start it, after start you can also again check engine oil level, because sometimes engine oil go in filter, that's why sometimes happens.